Basic unit of life. Options: A. Cell, B. Protoplasm, C. Cellulose, D. Nucleus. Correct answer option A. Cell. The unit of heat is options: A. Newton, B. Joule, C. Volt, D. Celsius. Correct answer option B. Joule. The device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy is options: A. Fan, B. Solar cell, C. Cell, D. Television. Correct answer option C. Cell. Electricity is produced in options: A. Transformer, B. Power station, C. Electric wire, D. Television. Correct answer option B. Power station. Dash is a good conductor. Options: A. Silver, B. Wood, C. Rubber, D. Plastic. Correct answer option A. Silver. What is the national flower of Australia? Options: A. Golden wattle, B. Cornflower, C. Shamrock, D. Rose. Correct answer option A. Golden wattle. Which of the following flower is A. symbolized with Lord Buddha? Options: A. Jasmine, B. Lotus, C. Lily, D. Sambugita. Correct answer option B. Lotus. Which flower is referred to as the queen of tropics? Options: A. Hibiscus, B. Jasmine, C. Chrysanthemum, D. Tulips. Correct answer option A. Hibiscus. What flower bulb can be used in place of onions in cooking? Options: A. Lotus, B. Dahlia, C. Tulips, D. Rose. Correct answer option C. Tulips. What is the national flower of India? Options: A. Lotus, B. Rose, C. Lily, D. Tulips. Correct answer option A. Lotus. Question for you. The longest bone in the human body is